Let us begin on this question. The concept of this question would be integral as a limit of sum. Now see this. Why I am saying so? This is a pattern generated by 2 plus 1 by n, 2 plus 2 by n, and like this. So what about the starting point? The starting point is 2 plus, it should be 0 by n whole square. Let's see if it works, and it works. 2 plus 0 by n. That means for this r is equal to 0. For this r is equal to 1. And here it is r is equal to 2. What about the last term? The last term can be rephrased as 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 minus 1 by n. That means this is going to be equal to 2 plus n minus 1 by n, and that means for this r is equal to n minus 1. So we have this limit L writable as equal to limit n tending to infinity 3 by n and a summation of 2 plus r by n whole square. Each term can be written as 2 plus r by n. And if it is 2 plus r by n, the r begins with value 0 and ends with the value n minus 1. This is the question. Now see, this is a limit of a summation. This is going to convert to an integral very soon. And when n tends to infinity, we can say that 1 by n tends to 0. As n tends to infinity, 1 by n tends to 0. Therefore, this can be written as equal to dx. And whereas r by n can be written as equal to x. This r by n can be written as equal to x. When this limit n tends to infinity, this 1 by n tends to, you can say dx. This summation and this limit together convert to an integral. Integral for r equal to 0, for r equal to 0, x is equal to 0. And for r is equal to n minus 1, x tends to 1. So therefore, lower limit is going to be 0 and upper limit is going to be n, with 3 remaining outside, and inside what goes is 2 plus x whole square. 1 by n creates a dx. This 1 by n creates a dx. This is integral as a limit of sum. This is the idea which is going to make this question get cracked. Now see, solving this question is extremely easy. Now going ahead, integral of, you can say this is going to make an integral of 0 to 1 for 4 plus x square plus 4x dx. So therefore 3 times 4 times x plus x cube by 3 and then x square by 2, that means 2x square. And all this with a limit 0 till 1. So let's solve the things. If I go for this, this is 12 times 1 plus 3 cancels, x cube, 1 cube minus 0 cube plus 3 into 2, 6 into x square, 1 minus 0. How much does that make? Now see, 12 plus 7, that makes 19. That's the answer of this question, and that means this is going to be the answer, option D. And this is a question from JEE Mains 2023. See you in the next question. Stay subscribed and stay revised.